dawn on the day that it has to be today. They found it. Also, we're just testing. Oh gosh, we're just testing our light and the train. We're waiting for the train to go by. Surprisingly, it has not blown its horn in a while, but it's got a lot of time left. So we're just getting ready. I decided my hair out and down instead of inside my coat where it was warm, but because I don't want to put on any airs, but I don't want to be fake. I don't want to be not fake. I want to be me, and being me will be all I need. I, my God, if the world could just hear my story, it's insane, absolutely insane. But I digress. This is test one.